Holy crap, it's late. Hi, I'm the after work chef and dinner's ready to go, and I ain't got much time, so let's do this. Hi, as you can see, I'm changed, ready for work. This is my at-home work attire. So the menu today is going to be fettuccine alfredo with blackened chicken. I've got mozzarella here for my garlic bread, Parmesan, 2 cups of it for my Alfredo sauce, and behind me I've got 2 quarts of heavy cream. So I'm going to make the sauce from scratch. I'm going to blacken the chicken. The noodles are store-bought because it's after work and I don't have a lot of time to make noodles from scratch. So let's get started. So since I'm making my garlic bread, I need butter, which I just pulled out of the microwave. I've got 2 sticks of butter, so we want to soften that up. This is 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to use about half of it. A little bit of salt, just for flavor. And mine is a lot of mozzarella. This is pre-shredded. Okay, so that's all my mix put together. That's my mozzarella, my Parmesan. Oh crap, what else I put in here? If y'all are paying attention at home, please let me know. It's after work, I'm tired. Okay, so now I have my mix. Mostly, it's mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, butter, and salt. What I'm missing is garlic, because you can't have garlic bread without garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop up some garlic and get it in the mix, and then I'm gonna take care of my bread. So we're going to use one of my favorite knives. My brother actually got this knife set for me a few years ago, which was very kind of him.
Aww.
So what you do, always hold your knife correctly. 3 fingers, thumb, finger. I cannot stress this enough. So you want to take your garlic, knife flat, blade away from yourself so you don't cut your hand. Press. Makes peeling garlic so much easier. Everybody watching at home, you're probably wondering, my God, why do you need so much garlic? Well, here in the Burkhart household, we are professional vampire killers. You're welcome. Now, not all of this is going to be in the garlic bread because as much as I like garlic, I like being around people as well. And this is a surefire way to keep you single for the rest of your life. So, with our garlic ready to go, this edge, we don't want that. So take your blade, just cut that bit off. Go ahead and do that to all your garlic. Okay, so now we're going to mince our garlic. Since it's already flat, with your blade, just kind of rock it back and forth. Years ago when I was in culinary school, one of my favorite chefs showed us a lot of different ways of doing this. You've got a full blade, you paid for the whole blade, might as well use it. I use certain parts of my blade for certain things. This is one method. It's kind of slower, but you get a pretty good even cut. The other one is you just rock it back and forth. It's much faster. If you notice, I'm keeping my hands, I'm doing the eagle hold. And I'm speaking like Shatner for some reason. I need to stop, and I will start cutting again. Let's go. I'm silly, I'm tired, it happens. But the eagle, which ADHD kicks in, you grab it, roll your fingers, that blade right against your knuckles. You want to basically just pinch it and hold it. And if you do it properly, you won't get cut. Now, this would be a great time to turn your oven on. I have a convection oven. It effectively cooks 25 degrees higher than your normal oven because the fan blows the air around. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on real quick. Okay, now that the oven is on 325, effectively cooking at 350, I'll finish my garlic. Notice I'm just kind of rough chopping it now. This is mincing. That's about where I like it. So, go ahead and put it in your container. Okay, so there's still rough garlic I need to chop up. What was that? Vampire. Okay, so now I have my garlic bread mix all ready to go. So let's make some garlic bread. This is store-bought. I know, shame on me. It's okay. Hey, first try. Bread knife. Guess it would help if I was professional and kept it on the center. Okay. Now we're going to spread it on the bread. Normally I'd use something else besides a spoon, but
I see you've applied knifey spoony before.
After work and I'm tired. So now that I've got my garlic bread the way I want it, it's time to put it in the oven. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead and prepare my sauce. I'm going to do my chicken last. So let's get started making the Alfredo sauce. Okay, ready to make my sauce. Now that I've got my skillet ready to go, it's heated. I can do my sauce here. I'm going to blacken my chicken here. Bye, Kit Kat. Do over.
Yeah.
I'm ready to make my sauce. I got my pan and my skillet already heated. You don't need to go too high or you're burning your ingredients for your Alfredo. So we're going to start with a whole stick of butter. That's a little too high. That's okay. Maybe not. Yeah, that's lovely. Now, cut it in half. Now, the remainder of my garlic. Traditional does not call for garlic, but I like it. I think it improves the flavor. If you find something that works for you, do it. Cooking is about experimenting. Okay, right now I'm starting to stick to the pan, so now I've got 2 quarts of heavy cream in here. Add it slow. Okay, so now that my sauce is simmering, let's go ahead and get the chicken cut up and simmer it. And I'm going to cut these. So now we're going to season these. Excuse me, I'm going to wash my hands after picking up chicken. Okay, so now that my hands are washed, I'm going to season my chicken. Now if you notice, I've still got some seasoning on my cutting board. So we'll just go ahead and dab and get rid of it. I've got my chicken blackened the way I want it. So we're going to go ahead and, pan's already hot, I'm going to use some olive oil and we're going to blacken it. Normally I'd use clarified butter, but I'm indoors. If we come back over here and we check our sauce, it's simmering. Well, not quite simmering, you don't want it to simmer. It's cooking, how's that? Okay, so now the chicken on bread. not quite the way I want it, so a few more minutes. The bread's already cooked, so I'm going to do a cheat. So my bread isn't done the way I want it, and the sauce is going, but I'm not ready to serve the chicken just yet. So what I did is I turned on boil with that top oven heat coming down just to brown the cheese. It's already done. I just want it to look better. Okay, bread should be about done. That is perfect. Nice crust on the top. Cheese isn't burnt. We're good to go. Okay, so now we're going to use a little bit of olive oil. So, tell by looking at it, oil is good and hot. Always keep your hand away from it where you can't trip on it, knock it off. Oil burns are bad. Trust me, I've had one. So, as always, lay it down, away from you. That sizzles exactly what I want to hear. That's enough. You don't want to overcrowd the skillet. If you overcrowd it, then you're not going to saute it, you're going to boil it. Okay folks, so now that my sauce is almost done, my oven's still warm from the bread. Since I don't have a whole lot of counter space, I'm going to do that. And move that over. Because it's time to get the noodles going. A little bit of salt. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, so now that the chicken's almost ready to come off, I'm going to go ahead and start prepping to save on time. I pulled these off a little early just so they could rest and come up to the temperature I want them. If memory serves, you want to cook chicken 165 degrees. Hungry noob is back. So now, I'm in between waiting. So, a lot of people see chefs in a restaurant tasting things, and it's very important that we do this. I've seasoned this, I've cooked it, but I don't know exactly how it's going to taste. Perfectly seasoned, as all things should be. Okay, so the noodles are almost al dente. They've been cooking about 7 to 8 minutes. So we want to get them in an ice bath. That way it stops them from continuing to cook. You don't want them to be mush. You want them al dente, which means 2 to 2. It translates roughly to a perfect tenderness, I guess. I don't know. You want to look up French, Google it. I don't know. Okay, it's time to cut up my garlic bread. Okay, it's the end of the night. We're all tired. Everybody's hungry. Now, there's a couple choices you can make. One, you could just throw it on the plate, let everybody have at it. or take just a couple extra seconds, make it look presentable. You put all that hard work into it, so why not make it look outstanding? So that's exactly what we're going to do. Good amount of your noodles. I'm using a bowl. Just like that. Alfredo sauce is good to go. Portioning helps as well. Make sure everybody gets an equal part. Nobody's complaining that they're still hungry. Now, if you're like me in the kitchen, there's usually one part you mess up. And that's okay. If you mess up, food is edible creation. The part I messed up is I rushed my sauce and it's still too thin. You need to take a little extra time thickening it up because I like a really rich, thick sauce for my Alfredo, but it's okay. But since we're eating with our eyes, I took the best looking chicken that I cut up, which is blackened. Now, we're going to take a little bit of Asiago and a cheese grater. I want to go thick this time. Thought about banning shredded cheese because I want to make America great again. So you just want to shake just a little bit right there. The joke was so bad the cat hates me now. Clean rag. Anytime you touch the plate and leave a mark, clean it off. Makes the presentation look so much better. So that, from the top view, as you can see, is beautiful. Okay, my name's Kevin Burkhardt. I am the After Work Chef. It's been a pleasure cooking dinner. Let's go eat. Hi, my name's Kevin Burkhardt and this is After Work Chef. This is my technical first episode. Had a lot of fun making this. Plan on making a lot of good food. If you like this video, please subscribe, give me a like, tell your friends about me. I want to get out there. I love cooking. I love cooking for people, so please like and subscribe. Also, if you didn't like this video, tell me, put it in the comment section. What did I do wrong? What did you not like? How can I make this better? This is a learning for everybody. Everybody involved, we're having fun doing this, so please, just let me know what you think. It's late, I'm tired, let's go eat.